The dinosaur 4T65E goes for the Chevy Impala 2003 and more. I'm gonna put it in the description box. Okay, I'm just gonna do that before I install this used transmission with supposedly 165,000 miles. I'm gonna do service to it. Alright, I'm gonna change the filter and put a new gasket. Alright, the bolts, we're gonna torque it with 110 foot-pounds. No, wait. Yeah, but it's 10 foot-pounds, pretty much. Alright, just gonna bolt. Right there. Let me get this shit straight. Oh, they're almost loose. Shit. Looks like not bad, I guess. Not that heavy though, but not bad, I guess. I think I can still use this that guy over there. Alright. So I'm just gonna clean the surface, and I'm sorry for the background noise, but shit, it's super cold outside. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing I can do. It's winter season. Yeah, I mean, so I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna clean the surface. I don't know if I should use the seal, the gas, the glue. But we'll see. I'll let you know. Now, this is a CarQuest. The part number is 96015. Alright, Pro King. This is the transmission filter kit. See, the thing is, if you see this gasket and you compare it with this shit is more stiff. But I don't think I can use it again though. I mean, I could though, because it's way better than that one, but I don't know. I'm gonna clean it and see how it goes. You know what? I think I'm gonna end up using the same gasket though. This is way stronger than that shit, than the one made by CarQuest. I'm sorry, Advanced Auto Parts, but the only thing that I can use is a filter. Shit. Pretty much. That shit is, look at this. And look at this. See, the thing is that if you put the CarQuest, you're gonna get that shit right there. It's gonna leak. It's not my first rodeo. Come on, go. Now this is the new filter. Comes with this shit. I don't think I need it though. This shit is gonna sit right in. I'm gonna tap that shit. Pretty much. I'm gonna put everything back now. Oh shit, I forgot. I gotta clean this shit too, you see? Fuck. Like that. Like new. So for the last time, that's all clean the pan. I'm gonna reuse the old gasket, alright? Because like I said, it's way better than the CarQuest one. I'm sorry, CarQuest, but I had to do it. It was like this. Ha. I'm not gonna put let me clean those bolts though. And I'm gonna torque that shit 10 full pounds, okay? Should be good. Alright. Alright. The gasket, you only can go one way, so now once I do all this, guys, I'm gonna do it with the power tool just to tighten it enough. and then use the torque wrench. Alright. This gotta be good. Watch the video how to remove the transmission, this transmission from a Chevy Impala 03. Watch that video. Okay, I'm gonna put the link up here in the screen so you can see it. Then 4 pounds side. Grab your torque wrench. This is 14. No, this is this right here. 4 pounds. 10. Alright, it's right there at 10. Now we're gonna do it like this. Pa, 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 pa. Alright. That's 10 right there. Should be it.